What's up, everybody? It's your girl College Mom, and today I have a review video of the GoPros. So most of you guys know I use the GoPro Max, which is not going anywhere. I absolutely love my GoPro 360 Max. But today this video is comparing it with the GoPro 12. So I've already opened it and kind of played around, did some test shots, videos, angles, different spots with it. Boom, I've also added the mod 2.0, or 2.0, is to me that almost similar feel of the 360 width, but obviously I can't rotate the camera. But immediately, I like the larger display screen on the GoPro 12. I also like the larger button that's right here to start recording, because typically I have nails, so just being able to easily locate it, press it, boom. I like that. On the GoPro 12 in comparison to the 360 Max, like, to open the battery is a lot bigger. Just kind of, well, I slide my nail into it and it unlocks it. There you go, pull it from there and it opens. Because it's larger, it's easier to close. You just push down and then you'll be able to see right there that it's closed or secured. Boom. You have a lot of different views you can play with on here. Quality, and as well as the point of view, from like a hyper high view, vertical, or strictly horizontal. I mean, I'm not proficient in it yet. Just immediately comparing it to the 360 Max, the quality of the camera is awesome. I really enjoy the small perks, like the fact that it automatically uploads to the cloud, creating the reel or like a highlight video for the day for me. And then because I'm not using a 360 camera, the battery life lasts longer. I know they did like increase it by like 10 to 15 minutes, but me personally, when I use my 360 camera, I mean, it eats up my battery, which is why I keep this on deck most of the time. Yeah, so far I love it. Oh, another thing that I like is, I know it's on the other GoPros, but in comparison to the GoPro 360, it's not. I really enjoy the front screen side of the camera, because if you decide to mount your GoPro on a bike or wherever you're putting it on, you can see what the camera is seeing no matter which angle you point it. So if I'm doing it this way, I can see myself. If I'm interviewing someone, they can see themselves, maybe, ease up some tension, nervousness of whatever they look like. We'll be worried about what we look like on a camera. Y'all see I had to anyways, back to these cameras. Yeah, Team GoPro, you guys. I've had this 3 years ago when it came out. 4 years ago, I don't know. I've had it for a while, and so to get my hands on a new updated camera, I'm excited to see all the little twerks and different gadgets. Updates is what I'm trying to say. I don't know why my brain's not working, but I'm super excited to now have two cameras so I can give you guys twice the angle, one from the front, one from the side, one over here, there, whatever the case may be. Stay tuned for some dope videos, you guys. Peace.